If you ever wanted to limit download speed in Google Chrome, whether you're testing a website, simulating a slow internet connection, or just trying to see how a page behaves on a weaker network, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any normal Chrome window for this, and you don't need any extra software or extensions. Once Chrome is open, we're going to use the built-in developer tools, which gives us access to network throttling options. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and I on your keyboard. If that shortcut doesn't work on your device, you can also press F12. This will open Chrome developer tools. You'll see a panel appear, usually on the right side or the bottom of your browser window. Don't worry if it looks technical at first, we only need a few options from here. Next, click on the Network tab at the top of Developer Tools. This section is where Chrome shows network activity, and it also lets you control how fast the browser sends and receives data. This is the area we need for setting a custom slow connection. Look near the top of the Network tab for the throttling dropdown. By default, it will probably say No Throttling. Click that drop-down menu, and Chrome will show you a list of preset connection speeds. These presets are useful, but in this video, we're going to create our own custom profile so you can control the exact speed settings. From the drop-down, find the Add from Custom Section option and click it. Then click Add Profile. A small form will appear where you can create your own throttling preset. In the profile name box, type a name for your custom network profile. For example, you can type SlowNet. This name is just for your reference, so you can choose any label that makes sense to you. Now, move to the download box and type 1024. Then go to the upload box and type 1024 as well. These values let you define a slow network profile for testing purposes. If you want to experiment later, you can always come back and adjust these numbers, but for now we'll keep both values at 1024. Once everything is filled in, click Add. Chrome will save your new custom throttling profile. This means you've now created a speed limit that you can apply anytime you want. Now go back to the throttling dropdown again. Click on No Throttling one more time, and you should now see your new custom profile in the list. Select SlowNet, or whatever name you gave it. As soon as you select it, Chrome will begin using that throttled connection setting. At this point, any page you load or reload in Chrome will behave as if you are on a slower connection. This is great for testing how your website loads, how images and videos respond, or how users experience your content on limited internet speeds. And that's it. You've successfully limited download speed in Google Chrome using a custom throttling profile. It only takes a minute once you know where to click, and it's a very useful trick for developers, testers, and curious users alike. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.